looking for a streetlight pole kit, simply set up, anchor to the floor, cement down, put a street light up, this may be something that you are after. We're briefly going to show you what it's about. From the company Tyon is a street light pole. Assembly is required, cement is optional, and we're going to demonstrate and show you what the pole is about and how it comes. We have a manual to go over, screws and washers, a hardware kit, nuts and plate washers, the crossbeam that goes into the ground and cemented, and each of the poles protected by bubble wrap. In the base you have a chrome-like plastic ball and plastic cover cap. Everything's laid out. With the caliper you get 35 millimeters, 70 plus millimeters, and 108 plus millimeters. You need to assemble your pole to hang up your street light or whatever you want to put on top, a flagpole or more. You're going to need optional cement and tools and place into the ground and lock down. You dug your hole, cement is being prepared. You're going to do a test to see if they fit on. Level, cement. Remember, each threaded rod has protective film on to remove. Cemented down, covering up. The pole will take time to hire. What we're going to do, we have the poles line up with 3 holes and they get locked down. With the bolt, a washer, optional screwdriver and socket, screw down. You're going to repeat these for the next poles until you get to the top pole. Your cap goes on to the top pole. And then you center your ball and lock in. Find the center and screw down. It has a drain hole on the bottom over here. With the help of a friend, the 4-inch pipe, you hang your street lamp up on your own. We're going to just place the pole up, show you the height the best we can. And hanging the pole up. If you're looking for a street pole, 16.5 feet to 20 plus feet to hang up on your property lot and light up the area, or put a flag or anything imaginable on top. This product may be something that you are after in a street pole. We got our street pole all hooked up. Put a street light on top. If you're looking to hang a 200 watt, 300 watt, 7,500 watt street light, this pole may be something that you are after. Now, what we're going to do is going to bring down the pole to a minimal height and show you how to put that street light on. I'll give you an idea of the street light, all hooked up, all the way to the top, as you can see. We have the street light pole with the street light on to give you an idea how it looks. Place in a location of your yard, your lot, your property. These poles are 3 feet each. We have here 9 feet tall, and we have 2 more poles we could go nice and high with to light up the property with your optional street light. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for in the street light pole kit. Check online for further details about the height you are after, 16 plus feet or 20 plus feet. They could be put up to the footage you want. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.